I don't know how this is going to work. I've tried had several attempts. We're scrapping. Croaky voice. Half dying. I'm half human, half aspirin at the moment. One thing after another.
Continue on B3055 for 5 kilometres.
There you go. I don't even know why we're in kilometres still. I don't know. Anyway, we're scrapping. Just been to pick up some trampoline poles. Don't mind trampoline poles. So what's been happening? Well, all sorts. I haven't been feeling it, so I haven't recorded it. It is that simple, really. There's a spanner flying around. It is that simple, really.
You're back online. You are on the fastest route despite usual traffic. You should reach your destination by 10:41.
Blimey. Okay. Right, we're going for the lanes. We've just been out this way. So what's been happening? Well, not a lot really. I've had quite a bit of time off. Went to Holland. Had a good few days over there. Just over a week. Then we came back beginning of, well, not this weekend, it's just gone. It's Monday today, by the way. We went back, come back a week ago. And then we had 4 days. Well, I did very little apart from renovate some furniture. And then Friday, we took the caravan off and went to meet an old army mate. Had a good weekend with him and his missus. So yeah, that was good for Jim and Maddie. So that was good. Thank you very much, guys. Really enjoyed it. It was nice and relaxing. And that lovely spot right on the Thames at Benson. Oh, spanner. At Benson. Benson Waterfront was the campsite. Absolutely spot on. Couldn't fault it at all. Only a shame the Benson ferry wasn't working. Because that would have saved a 45-minute hike. That was good. Fresh air, bit of exercise. Did us good. So yeah, can't complain. Yeah, really good. And really nice to catch up with Jim and Maddie. Shit all over the road, look. So, what else is happening? Not a lot really. I got some furniture up for sale, and we're out on a scrap run this morning. 3 or 4 pieces to pick up. And on board we already have a filing cabinet and an oven. And a hoover. I need to strip out for the motor. It's an old school hoover. So the motors are normally fairly hefty in them. Worth stripping out really, I suppose. I can get rid of the plastic easy enough. But it is getting rid of it rather than recycling it, which I don't like. So anyway, that's about that's the latest so far. I've had to do a camera reset on the camera because it was deciding to record in super high quality, which is brilliant, but it's just too high, you know. As far as a professional filmmaker, I'm not, but I'm a budget and scarper type person, you know. There's a bike there. Oh, yeah, just pull on out in front of me. That's the one. Although the bike had no saddle, I'm dubious to pick it up and put it in the back of the van. Somebody else will have that. Somebody else with no moles will take that, I'm sure. There's no sign on it. turn you off, but I don't really want to take my hands off the wheel ground along here. It's so close to bloody terrible. Anyway, I'll speak to you all later. Hello, hello, hello. Just picked up an exercise bike. A little bit of weight to it, like they all have. That's alright. Not the best.
In 100 yards, turn right onto Castle Lane West, A3060. Take the next right onto Castle Lane West, A3060.
Try and get out of here now. No one's gonna let you out.
In 200 yards, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Castle Lane West, A3060.
Straight ahead. There was a load of pushchairs back there, but I don't like taking pushchairs because there's just so much material on them. It's got to be able to get a bit gnarly, you know? And rightly so, because most of the weight is not metal. Which means then I have to get rid of it, and it's just it's a ball ache. So I don't tend to bother with them. I'd rather let someone who deals in pushchairs have a go and do whatever they do with them. We're just heading up the road now. What are we going to get now? I think it's another exercise bike or some weight equipment. Something I know.
In a quarter of a mile, continue straight onto Wimborne Road, A3060.
See what we can find on the way, see if we see anything. Probably not. It's always worth having a look around though, because you never know. Stormy weather's coming, apparently. What if they finish these houses down here?
Continue straight onto Wimborne Road, A3060. In 200 yards, at the roundabout, take the 4th exit onto White Leg Way, A347.
Used to be a pub in there, horse and jockey. It was closed for a good few years. And eventually they pulled it down and put some more houses on it.
Exit the roundabout onto White Leg Way. Continue on White Leg Way for half a mile.
We're in a 40 now. Maybe not. Still a 30. Maybe we are.
In a quarter of a mile, at Northbourne Roundabout, take the 2nd exit onto Wimborne Road, A341.
So what's the plan then? Well, the plan at the moment is just to get through each day at a time, I think. And as long as I manage to do that, I'm moving forwards. We have an overall plan, but it just seems to be taking forever. And I'm getting a little bit frustrated, I think that's part of the problem. I'm getting frustrated because I see the clock ticking.
Exit the roundabout onto Wimborne Road. Continue on Wimborne Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Right, keep the eyes peeled round here, see what we can see. Never know what you're going to find. I think there was another scrapper just up the road there. Well, the sun is shining at the moment, which is quite nice. I think it's supposed to rain later on this afternoon. So this is Kinson. For those that know or don't know.
In 300 yards, at Kinson Roundabout, take the first exit and stay on Wimborne Road, A341.
Bit of traffic. Come on. They're funny old places. See that bus over there that says New Forest Tools? Can you see it over there? I've driven that bus, that very bus, 1827. They've got it in Bournemouth depot now. It used to be based in Leamington. It's a good few years. It's a 2005, I think. Something stupid like that. Anyway, I'll speak to you in a bit when I get to going up, well, Porthmullen. I'll speak to you later. Been out in the sticks. Never been down here. Yeah, never been down here before. Take it nice and steady. It's 30 mph limit, but there's bit of water. Plenty of leaves. Slow and steady wins the race.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Wimborne Road.
There's the Rozzers. Trying to think where I'll come out here. Are they in there? Operation Viper. What's that when it's at home?
Take the next left onto Wimborne Road.
Big sign saying no HGVs. Well done, mate. I'm going left in. Especially with the coppers there. But then again, he's a builder's merchant's truck. He's probably got a collection, a delivery or something. People don't think of these things.
In 50 yards, at the roundabout, continue straight onto Lockyer's Road.
I don't know what Operation Viper is though.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, continue straight onto Wareham Road.
Sounds a bit nasty though, doesn't it? Operation Viper. Should really get a poppy for the van. I know where I am now.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Phillips Road. Turn left onto Phillips Road, then your destination will be on the right.
What number did he say? Okay. Let's see if it's still in his driveway. I've left it on the driveway, he said. Yeah, okay. What numbers have we got here? 4, 6.
Your destination is on the right.
No, I think he might have down there, yeah. Yeah, I think it is behind the bins. Gonna turn around down here. And then we go back and have a look. Them one here. There we go. Yeah, it's there. Right, brilliant. Right, speak to you in a minute. On to the next. That was the dishwasher. I haven't showed you anything, have I? No. Rubbish. So that was a dishwasher, and it was still there, which was good.
Quarter of a mile, at Lake Gates, take the third exit onto A31.
On to the next, which is a kitchen sink with a tap. So the tap will be brass, and I'm hoping that the kitchen sink will be stainless steel. So either way, we get a brass tap, and it's on our way, and so it's worth doing. timed perfectly. So yeah, heading back. We've got 2 more jobs to do, and that's us done as far as collecting is concerned. So the van is do the same tomorrow, be a full van, be worth 50-60 quid, I suppose, for a couple of hours work. I can live with that. I quite enjoyed it as well. Easy. Right, I'll speak to you all in a bit. Hello. Oh, blimey. Right, we just picked up a kitchen sink, the brass tap. Yeah, and it is all stainless. So that's nice. And there's also a bit of copper pipe on the bottom of the taps, so, and some stainless steel hosing, even better. Happy days. So we're out in the sticks again.
In a quarter of a mile, slide left to stay on B3081.
We sort of veer off to the left here. Used to be a really old tree.
Take the next left to stay on B3081.
Be a really old tree down here. I don't know whether you can, whether it's still there or not.
Continue on B3081 for 1.5 miles.
It's like a massive old oak tree. Sure, as long as. Sure, as long here somewhere. Maybe not. Still coughing well. Oh my word alive. When will I feel better? Don't know what fell over in the back. Who knows? Brings me down to a T-junction, I turn right. Down to Cranbourne.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto B3078. Well, I've been lucky with the weather so far today. Take the next right onto B3078.
Good.
Continue on B3078 for 1.5 miles.
Well, it's not far away. It's only down the road here. Beautiful up round here. Nice part of the world. About to come into Cranbourne now.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Castle Street, B3078.
I've driven a bus all round here.
Take the next right onto Castle Street, B3078.
Right, it's long here. It's a bit narrow through it.
In 300 yards, your destination will be on the right.
Okay. Don't believe them. Oh boy, it's on the right. It's number 10. Numbers we got here. 22. 28.
Your destination is on the right.
I think so. Don't know what number that is. Around here somewhere. 40. 2. It's one of these here. I reckon. .46. Okay. Right. Let's go on up here and attempt it. Right, I'll speak to you all later. Well, that was the exercise bike picked up. Big old thing it was. Nice to get out of there. I'm going to be stopping at the lay-by up here for a quick pee. And I might even show you around. Oh, I'll get your cups as well now. I'm going to go home. Time now is 12:48. I'm going to go home and have some, not only have some lunch, have some breakfast. I haven't eaten nothing yet today. So a nice little drive home across the forest now. little lay-by. There we go. Right, speak to you all later. Through the forest. Well, a bit of it. Sure that tree was around here somewhere. No? Right, speak to you all in a bit. Hello. Weather has now turned. Going into Burley, into the witches' village. Nobody in the dogging car park. And water on the side of the road. Oh, they got a puncture. Plenty of water. Yeah, it's running on down the road here. Well, it's supposed to be a storm coming in Wednesday, and then another one. Coming over my way. flowing on down the hill here. Well, nothing's flooded
In
yet,
300 yards, slide left onto the cross.
Funny in about, they could have got through there. Thank you very much.
Take the next left onto the cross, then turn right onto School Hill.
I don't know why he's stopping there. He should be turning right.
Turn right onto School Hill.
Step out of the road.
Continue for 2 miles.
Big old, just avoided that one. Horses for courses. Forest is still nice even in this weather. Horses again, right on the side of the road. Here comes the rain. Just looks a bit dark, doesn't it? Boy, there's some hardcore campers there. Excuse me. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to go because you don't want to hear me coughing and spluttering. I'll speak to you all later.